Hi guys, welcome back again. Join me make this very delicious and mouth-watering coconut rice. But first I'll be grilling my protein and then send to my oven. And here I mixed the spices I'll use in grilling. I'm going to be dropping the names of the spices in the description box, so please do well to check the description box. Guys, please if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, turn on your notification bell and give this video a huge and massive thumbs up. Thank you very much, guys. So next I'll just go in and add my vegetable oil, rub it on my pan, and then I'll bring out, this is the protein. I'm using goat meat as my protein, and then I'll pour in my already mixed spice. Just pour it in generously.
Your body and suffer with this body, make you run, I'm on a low.
So guys, I'm done with this and I'm going to send it to the oven to start grilling immediately. And here's a slight review. This is not a proper review, trust me. I'm gonna do a proper review on my butcher mix blender, but just see how my ogbonge blender blended my crayfish to powder, like so smooth. Oh my goodness. And now I'm trying to blend my pepper, tatashe, shumbo and onion roughly. I don't want a smooth blend, just roughly. I'm using the pause button to do this. If you don't have a food processor, just see how this is going to help you. Just use the pause button to blend your pepper if you just want it roughly, just like this. Guys, butcher mix is just everything. Trust me, it's just everything. It serves. Just negodu. And next, guys, I'll go in with my water is already hot. I'll just go in with my washed rice, thoroughly washed rice, and some salt, then cover to cook. I want this to be almost ready. And guys, I'm using powdered coconuts. I don't know, but I'm going to be dropping the name of this coconut powder. This is just like the normal coconut. I know it's not going to feel like the usual coconut, but if you don't want to go through all the stress of going to the market, getting it, breaking it, blending it and all that, this will serve you. Trust me when I say this will serve you. You just need plenty. Okay, so I'll just go in with some water and then I will stir this, just turn it to milk. Yes, I'll just stir this, and even if it's not properly dissolved, don't worry, okay, just stir the one you can stir and leave the rest for God to do. But guys, I'm done with that. I will set aside, and here, just see how yummy and juicy our goat meat is. I won't lie, before this gets to the camera, I have pinched and pinched. Okay, it was so juicy and very, very yummy and delicious. Yes, so I'll just set this aside, and now at this point rice is cooked, and now I'll just go in with some coconut oil, and then I'll add in my roughly blended my roughly blended peppers and onion. And next I will stir this before going in with my crayfish powder seasoning. I use Knorr chicken seasoning, and afterwards I'll pour in my coconut milk. Guys, this is so simple. You don't need so much. Yes, I added water, enough water that can cook my rice, like the final cooking, sorry. And guys, what I'm trying to say here is this, you don't need so much. You don't need so much at all. You just need to make it simple, and the outcome will wow you. Will wow you. Guys, I'm so sorry. I missed that clip. I don't know how it happened, but I missed the clip where I added my rice and some fish. Not some fish, lots of fish, because coconut rice, one thing about coconut rice is fish adds so much flavor to it. So I added lots of dry fish, the black fish, and I will just combine this, stir, and then cover, allow to cook well on a low heat. Emphasis on a low heat. Guys, can you see that? Oh my god, at this point, everywhere, my house, everywhere, my streets was just bringing out coconut everywhere. Guys, this was so delicious. This tastes so, guys, trust me when I say this is so simple to put together. You don't need so much, but the outcome will wow you. Yes, coconut rice is usually delicious when you cook with the right process, yes, with the right ingredients, yes, but this is absolutely delicious and mouth-watering. So guys, please don't forget to do the good stuffs, like, yes, comment, share. Thank you, bye.